guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, I'll be doing a clean with me type of video right now, but just only the fridge. Because I am getting some groceries later on that day from Walmart and HEB, and I just wanted to organize my fridge because as you can see, it's kind of dirty and it's unorganized. So I just wanted to organize it, make it look a little better, and have it all nice and clean. So, just continue on watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. And would you like to see some more videos like this? Comment below, guys. And I'll be talking throughout the video, just so you know. Okay, so I want to put a little disclaimer in here that I do will see me putting a lot of milk and little juices and little stuff like that. I do get those school lunches from my son's school, and they're giving them out for free for both of my kids. So I do take advantage of that, and please don't judge me because it does help me out on a lot, basically on money and on what to give them. So please don't judge. Thanks. Okay guys, so I wanted to show you what I got from Walmart, and hopefully it's clear enough for you to hear me guys. Hopefully you're not hearing the background noise. Hold on, let me see if I can close the door. Hold on, okay? I'm recording real quick. Okay, hopefully that's a little better. So, let's start with this haul. Like I said, I'm going to be going to HEB tomorrow. So this is at the Walmart right now. So what I got is 2 bags of baked. This is something new that we just recently got because of not my husband. Well, my husband, I got this for my husband because he liked it, but not the kids. And they gave these to the kids on their school, but they didn't like it. But my husband did. So he requested more, so I got him some more, and I got him 2 bags of those. Those are from Roma tomatoes, baby carrots, some carrots. As you saw, I threw some carrots away and they're really bad, so I got some new ones. Some Nutter butter, honey barbecue, 2 famous amos. I love these cookies. These are my favorite. So I got 2 of those. This is something new too that we have gotten, and they're French toast sticks. I have never tried French toast, but my husband did. But I got the cinnamon and the original, and I got these for me and the kids because I wanted to try some too. And most likely my husband's gonna get some too. So I got 2 different ones to see which ones we like, and if whichever one we like, I'll get it in the future. And I also got some potatoes. And I thought they were bigger, but they're so tiny. Like they're really, really tiny. Like they're really, really tiny. Like look. Like they are really, really tiny. I didn't know they were that small. Anyways, I might see if in HEB they have some bigger ones because I like them bigger for certain dishes that I do. Because these are honestly too small. So I also got 2 hot dogs. You know, they last a good while. So I got 2 of them for hot dogs, or when I do sausage and eggs and little stuff like that. I got 2 broccolis, as we always get broccolis. And then I also got this. This is something new, and I know my husband and my son, Jaden, likes these. Likes the broccoli and cheese. So I got this to try it out and see if they like it. And also, I have not been able to see any of this one. This is the one that we specifically get, the PB&J mixed together, Snickers one. I have not been able to find any at all in my local HEB. Like any at all. So at Walmart, when I saw this at Walmart, I got it real quick and I got 2 of them. Because I think there was a limit too, so I couldn't get 2. I also would have got like 4 of them. And I also got some Nesquik. Because, come on, really, who doesn't like Nesquik? Like, I grew up on this. I literally grew up on it. I remember my dad used to give me that big one from, I think it was from Sam's or Kroger. They used to give me that big, huge one. And I would go through that like real quick. I know that. So I got me some of this for myself because apparently my husband doesn't like it, and I don't think the kids kind of do like it, but I mostly got that for myself. Then if they get some, they get some. So this is all what I got. Oh wait, I'm missing. I also got some Lay's, for my husband, and some milk. Since my husband is lactose intolerant, I got him these, and he loves these type of milk, which is Fairlife. In case you are lactose, this is this is what he likes. You can give it a try in case you haven't tried it yet. The only thing that is they are kind of a little expensive, like $3 for this, but my husband really doesn't drink that much. And another benefit is that they last a good while. They don't expire until July, so they last you a good while too. So that's a good thing too. So, and I also got some honey barbecue. I think that's all I got. I need to double check. Yeah, I think that's all I got. So this is my little haul, grocery haul that I got from Walmart. And like I said, tomorrow I'm gonna go to HEB and I will show you what I got from HEB. Hey guys, so I have been home for a while and my face is oily. I don't know if you can tell, but it's really oily. And it's the next day and I went to HEB. But the one thing is my mom was here to help me out to take care of the kids. Because, as you know, with the whole coronavirus going on, the virus, I don't want to take the kids out with me while I do grocery shopping. So she did help me put some stuff up. I am going to show you what I got from what I can remember on top of my head. So like how I did yesterday, yesterday when I showed you my Walmart grocery, I'm going to kind of show you what I got, but in their, where they're at right now, basically. So hopefully I don't forget, okay? So bear with me. And I'm sorry if it's kind of everywhere, but I do want to show you what I have gotten the next day, which is, this is my 2 weeks food, basically worth of food. So let's get started. So what I got, it's some bananas, some avocados. Also got some syrup for the pancakes. I already have pancakes. Excuse me. I already have pancakes mixed, so I just got the syrup that I actually like. Because I have one. It's up there, but it's not the one that we actually get. I'm picky with my syrup. So I got this one. And also got some soy sauce. Also got some pickles that is right there. Oh, God. Some pickles and some red wine vinegar. And over here in my pantry side, I got my my cereal. As you can see, my kids are set for cereal, so I didn't get any cereal for them as of right now. They're good right now, so only my cereal. Also got some mushrooms for myself because I wanted to have something to snack on, so I got this for myself. Oh yeah. And I also got some stuff for the spaghetti. So I got some diced tomatoes, tomato sauce, and tomato paste. Tomato paste and tomato paste. So that's what I got. And then over here on the fridge and freezer, sorry Rex. I am kind of going in a hurry, so bear with me. Because my body's about to die. Also got some hamburger patties. I got some juice and extra milk, some tortillas, eggs, some bacon, 2 chorizos, 2 hams. This one is already open, but I got 2 of them. 2 hams. Oh, and I also got the, this is my favorite, what I like to use for my burgers, which is the, Monterrey Jack jalapeno peppers cheese. I love that cheese with my burgers. I don't know why, but it just makes it a good flavor. I also got some sausages. Oh no, sorry. Caught over my phone. So hopefully the video quality is still good. So I was saying I got some turkey sausage. The one I like to get is Kosoba or something like that. I'm gonna put the name around here. That's the one I was looking for, but didn't have any, so I substituted that for this. So I got 3 of these for an ingredient coming up that I'm gonna be, using it. Some jalapenos, some white potatoes. Also, I have a green and red bell pepper, 1 of each. I also have garlic. I usually get the big ones, but I guess, I don't know if by demand, like, everywhere's out. They're just selling them by, little tiny bulk. So they're really tiny. So I got this one. That's garlic. What else did I get? I think that's it from the, oh, and then yellow onion too. And I think that's it right there, from what I can remember. Yeah, I think from there. Oh yeah, and I also got a small heavy whipping cream, because I have a big one, but I have to have another one for another recipe that I'm gonna be using soon. Also, I got some ice cream sandwiches. I've been wanting some too, and I just took it out the box to have more space in my freezer, so I just put them all out there. I also got 2 ground beefs. What is this called? I think a chuck. Yeah, beef chuck roast. I got 1 of those for a future recipe. I still don't know what to do with it, but I kind of do, if you know what I mean. I got an extra 2 extra chicken breast. The one is thin sliced, and the one is like the full fat one, if you know what I'm talking about. Also got some chicken nuggets for the kids, the big bag. I also got some green beans. I got 2. I got 2 shrimp. I wanted to get 3, but they're a little expensive, so I only got 2. That's it. That's all I got from H-E-B. Oh yeah, of course, and I got some breads. As you can see, this is my bread section, and it's all stuffed up because I got 2 hamburger breads. I got 1 hot dogs, 2 bagels, and 2 sandwich breads. So they're all packed in there. So that's the list of packed. And then from parte de eso, I went to Sam's, but I got like little extras of what what I need, which is this is not it. Oh. Which I got some sponges, also some dish pods. You really can't see it, but it's right there, and also a and I also got a multi-purpose cleaner. And this thing was $7, and it's like a pretty good big size, and it's 9 liters, which is pretty huge. And it's a multi-purpose cleaner. So let's see how this goes. I'll let you know how that goes, but that's mostly what I got from Sam's, and and HEB. Oh, and I also went to Target. What did I get in Target? Well, only... What did I get at Target? In Target, I got 2 toothbrushes, laundry detergent, and I think that's it. Right? I think that's all I got. Oh, and trash bags. Trash bags too. So yeah, I kind of went basically what I needed already. What I needed of. Basically running low. I got what I was running low. So I got that basically from Sam's and Target. And then it should be my 2 weeks worth of food. As always, they always get 2 weeks worth of food. So that's all I got. I'm sorry I'm a little out of breath. I don't know why I'm all out of breath all of a sudden. But yeah. Hopefully you did like this little video of me, what I got for my 2 weeks worth of food. During this whole this whole pandemic going on. So I hope everybody's out there staying safe. Like I said, just take care of yourself, take care of everybody else around you, and just be safe. Keep a distance. I've been trying to keep a distance, but some people kind of just, they really don't listen. So you kind of have to move away, or that's what I did. I moved away, and yeah. So just like I said, my mom was over. I asked her I asked her first if she can take care of the kids while I do all that, and she did. So she came over here, and she had me just take care of the kids for like a couple of hours, probably like 2 hours, 3 hours tops, to do all of this. So I just didn't want the kids to be exposed to that. And if anything, people out there actually going out with this whole, this whole virus going on, I prefer having them at home to be on the safe side. Yeah. But I'll see you in the next video. I wanted to do some more cleaning videos. Well, I do have another cleaning video, but I really didn't like it because I did in my room. I'll probably just show my room. But when I did the bathroom, I did some parts, but once I hit the tub, girl, doing the tub is hard work. I don't think I'm gonna show that part. But I might just post that video, like I said, of doing my room. But not the tub part, because it was really killing me. I was out of breath. I was looking at, I don't know. I was out of breath. I don't know. I might post it, I might not, that little video, that little clip of me during the tub, but I don't think so. Because all I remember, I was just out of breath. I was done with that tub. I was like, you know what? I just scrubbed it, whatever, and I hate doing the tub. That's why anytime the restrooms, I leave it to my husband. He's the one who does cleaning the restrooms. I can't do it. I don't mind doing the toilet. I don't mind doing the sink, but the tubs, that's my husband. I let him do that. No. Anyways, I'll see you in the next video, guys. If you like to see some more videos of me getting my 2 week worth of groceries during this whole thing going on, let me know. I'll do some more videos. I'll be glad to be doing some more videos like this. So I'll see you in the next video, guys. Bye. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and also comment below, like I said. Comment below if you want some more videos like this. See you guys. Bye.